Okay, so it's time for yet another exercise here. And in this video, we're going to work on creating a tic-tac-toe board, as you can see over here on the left. And this board obviously doesn't do anything. We can't do any logic there and actually complete the game until we get to the JavaScript unit. So the first thing that we need to do is talk about how this is actually structured. So I'm going to let you try and do this on your own, but the first thing that I want to show is that this is a table here. So this is a table with 3 rows, and then in each row there are 3 TDs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what we've done is given them a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. And then we've selectively turned on the border. So for these middle elements, there's a left and a right border. Left, right, left, right. And then for the middle horizontal elements, there's a top and bottom border, top and bottom, top and bottom. So I want to let you try and do that on your own first. And then in the next video, we'll do a solution as we go over it together.